Kids Zone with Trishy. Today we're going to read a story about Christmas. It's called Christmas Begins with Christ. Do you know about Christmas? Why Santa comes here? It's not about toys or sleigh bells and reindeer. It started with Jesus, the source of all light. Santa Claus needs this to see in the night. Just like a great star that shines in the sky, he's looking upon you. He's always nearby. Just like the sun, he's wherever you go. Just like the ocean, more vast than you know. Although you can't see him, he's there to help out. Whenever you're lost, he will show you the route. Just try. You can feel him while praying at night. His love's always with you, embracing you tight. He's right there to listen with words that will mend. He speaks to your heart, an invisible friend. So Christmas is when we rejoice and we play. Christmas is special because it's his birthday.
Happy birthday!
The love that he gives us lives deep inside you. Go share it with others, see what it can do. Santa Claus does this. He always spreads joy. It makes him so happy when you get a toy. But love can be shown in more ways than just this. Let's watch how love grows when it starts with a kiss. 1 mistletoe swaying, 2 people in love. Then 3 people skip, and 4 more join the fray. 5 carolers sing, making 6 smile today. Then 7 rejoice, and 8 more people laugh. It all keeps on going till 9 dance at last. From 1 mistletoe and the love in a kiss, joy keeps on spreading to 10 states of bliss. Christmas is more than a cookie or toy. It's a day to praise Jesus, a day to spread joy. Remember that Christmas is one day of cheer, but you can spread love every day of the year. So go kiss and hug all your family and friends. Keep smiling and caring, for love never ends. Jesus is watching. He's smiling with pride. He's right there beside you, your friend and your guide.